Money is morphing. The creator is the new bank. And the truth is, the future of finance won't be run by Wall Street. It'll be built by creators with audiences, influence, and ownership. If you still think the only way to make money online is ads or sponsorship, you're living in the past. The creator economy has officially become its own economy. According to Skrill and industry forecasts, creator monetization will surpass traditional media ad spend by 2026. Direct-to-fan relationships are the new distribution model. No middlemen and no gatekeepers. Subscriptions, digital assets, tokenization, and owned platforms are the new income stack. We're watching a financial revolution disguised as entertainment. Ads are dead weight, algorithms change, CPMs drop, platforms take the cut. The new creator economy runs on ownership, not permission. Take these creator business models, for example. Creators get direct subscriptions via Patreon, Locals, or Kajabi. And then we have the crown jewel for monetization with digital products like courses, templates, and media packs. But once you really build a fan base, it's taken to another level with tokenized communities with NFT access passes or DAO-based memberships. After that, you have creator platforms like Skrill, Fanbase, or Supercast for the ultimate connectivity with your fans. You're not a content creator, you're a media asset manager. Every post is intellectual property. The real danger isn't AI or oversaturation, it's platform dependency. Things change often with platforms, so you need to algorithm-proof your income. Move your audience from rented social land to owned land, like email, or communities like Facebook and School. Stack revenue streams through subscriptions, affiliate, consulting, brand deals, etc. Next, automate content distribution using AI and CRM integration. If you can't reach your audience directly, you don't have a business, you have a borrowed spotlight. Survive the algorithm, and you survive the apocalypse. So the biggest mindset shift from this is that you are the product and the portfolio. Content equals media IP and audience equals distribution. But brand equals valuation. When you build brand equity, you're not making cash, you're building capital. Take these two for example. Mr. Beast's media empire valuation is close to $2 billion, and Logan Paul's Prime is said to have $1 billion valuation. Even small independent creators are selling newsletters, podcasts, or communities as assets. As I mentioned earlier, some get to a level where tokenization becomes an angle. Imagine owning part of your favorite creator's brand or letting fans buy into yours. We're talking creator coins, NFT-based equity, and blockchain-enabled revenue sharing. We are entering the age where followers can be shareholders. Influence is the new collateral. Attention is the new currency. Ownership is the new freedom. Did you ever think the creator economy could replace traditional finance? Ownership beats algorithms, so build assets, not content. Value over volume. The future of money isn't crypto or cash, it's creators who understand leverage, audience, and systems. My final thought on this: if you build your brand right, you'll never need a boss, a sponsor, or a bailout again. If you're tired of fake gurus and media puppets, subscribe right now. This is Uncensored Collective Media, where we talk about the real economy of power, mindset, and money. Watch the next video and stay sharp, stay awake, and build your own bank.